Hey guys, what's up? My name is Hope. I'm a nurse, a reseller, a breast cancer warrior. Thumbs up for that. Today I have a ThredUP Rescue Box haul. It's shoes, so I'm excited, but we all know how this goes. It can be bad or it can be good. I haven't done a video like this in so long. I haven't gotten a rescue box in forever, but since I'm getting ready to have my reconstruction surgery, I had a mastectomy. If you want to follow my cancer journey, I'll link it up here. But I'm having reconstruction on January 4th, so I need like inventory, and I can't be out in public for the next couple weeks because I got to make sure I don't get the bid before my surgery. So anyways, yeah, so I really hope the box is good. I have no idea. I just got the text notification that it was delivered. My husband brought it in. I'm gonna drag it in. We're gonna open it together. And if it's bad, I'm gonna need all of you to watch to the end and watch the ads so that the revenue takes care of what I lose. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Anyways, if you like reseller related content, thumbs up, or not thumbs up, no. Well, you can. Thumbs up, but please subscribe. We hit 10K during my whole cancer time off, and I appreciate it so much. I'm so grateful for every single one of you. So, all right, without further ado, we're gonna open this shoe box. It's 15 pairs, $80. Yeah, all right, let's go. I'm kind of sad already because the box is not very heavy. Okay, here it is, boom. I should do a thumbnail really quick. I mean, I'm kind of in there. Maybe I should zoom out. Nope. I literally can't believe I'm cutting off my head. I don't know how to film. Maybe my hair is just too big. Okay, let's crack her open. I'm nervous. Please. My last ThredUP shoe box was a long time ago, and it was good. And I just happened to be perusing the site and noticed they had it, and I was like, all right, I really want the fun box and the jewelry box. That's what I am stocking it for. So if you guys ever see any of those, tag me on Instagram. I got a new Instagram, finally. I relaunched my Instagram. Thank you to everyone who shared that my account got hacked. It's Rax to Riches Resale, same as before, but now in front of Rax is just an underscore. So it's underscore Rax to Riches Resale. I'll leave it linked. Go follow me over there and tag me if they have the fun boxes and the jewelry anytime you see them, or designer, because I've never gotten the designer or the jewelry. And I would love to have stuff to list and film specifically while I'm healing from surgery. And boxes are easy filming videos, especially if my husband cuts them open for me. But anyways, yes, I'm rebuilding my Instagram. It's gonna take me a while, I'm sure, but if you follow me, I'll follow you back over there. So, all right, is this okay? I mean, gosh, I just hope it is. Can you see? Is everything fine? Are we good? Should I come in closer? All right, here we are. Okay. Yeah, this is just saying it's 80 bucks, blah, blah, blah. Please let it be good. Please let it be good. Okay, all right. Okay, oh God. All right. The wave of emotion that you feel when you first open it goes, okay, so. These are Reebok. I'm not like a tennis shoe person, but I'll sell anything I'll list anything that will sell. These are in really good shape. These are Reebok CrossFit, size 8, US size 8. I don't know if that means it's a man or a woman, but these are it. Reebok CrossFit. If I find the comps, well, these are like brand new looking. If I find the comps, I will leave them on the screen. So if you hear a doing, that means look up. There's information you might want to see. I did that in my last video too, so, oh my God, these are not cute. Like these are terrible. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. These are called, oh gosh, Metro 7. Like a kitten heel. Bedazzled with sequin. Mule, size 9. Fabric, man-made. So that's a loss, probably. I can't imagine. Oh, this box does not look good. Oh gosh. Please watch to the end. Oh, these are Cole Haan. Cole Haan, not Hond. Oh my god. All right, these, I think these are green. Gosh, I'm blind as well. It's dark in my living room. The only light we have is my tree. I don't know, maybe that's black. It's black. Cole Haan, they are a flat. They're a size 10, square toe, suede or what? Made in Italy. Cole Haan just sits around for years. I'm sure this is leather inside, but it's velvet on the outside. I mean, I could probably list them, maybe $25. Oh my god, 9 West. Oh, this isn't good. Oh, stick around. These are 9 West platform, high-heeled, brown suede boots. I don't even know if it's real suede. Oh, it is real suede, size 8, but the heel has some wear. So I don't know. That's a maybe. Oh gosh, these will probably like sit in my death pile for a million years. Maybe I'll take them somewhere. These are Vans. That's not terrible, but it's not like amazing. But I'm not mad about. Oh, they're kind of like, you know, they got that. Look at the inside. They have the wear from like jeans or denim rubbing against them, but they're leather. They're US 8 in men's, 9.5 in women's. They're floral, high top Vans. They're in pretty good shape. The bottoms look really nice. I just need to clean them up just around the edge. This is probably a guaranteed 35 bucks. 30, 35. I'm really, like, I don't think I'm gonna sell the Cole Haan. I mean, I'll try. I'm selling on eBay now. Surprise! I know, isn't that crazy? I signed up with Vindu and I've got like, well, I had more listings than I have now, but I've sold some things. I like made $100. I'm like, who am I? The Poshmark girl who started cross-listing. I know. That's my new business plan. Oh, wow. Oh gosh, guys, these just say fashion, fashion, fashion. Oh, these are a 235, 1.5. These are supposed to be like knockoff Gucci, I think. Wow. Wow. So those are unsellable. Oh wow. This is terrible. This is so terrible. I'm so sorry. You know what? This is what happens. It's a risk. It's always a risk. These are Talbots, size 9. They're just a little braided sandal. They're Talbot's factory, so yeah, and they have a lot of ankle wear. I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe. I don't know. These are not Danskos. They're like knockoff Danskos. Oh my gosh, like this is, are they serious? Like I'm getting a knockoff box. Yeah, there's no brand. No brand at all. Just says size 9, like a clog. Unbranded. They're in great shape, but no brand. I don't know the material. Like there's nothing. There's like, see how that is just black and shiny there? Yeah, no, absolutely no brand. So, I said no. I mean, if I don't even know the brand, what am I supposed to do? Oh God. All right, these are Schutz, but they're in terrible condition. Ugh. These are a size 6B Schutz. These heels, pointed toe, like they're navy suede and cream, but look. That patent leather is destroyed. So yeah, these are in real rough shape. So that's I mean, Schutz is a good brand. I mean, they don't sell for a ton, but probably like 35, 40 if they were sellable, but they're not. Oh, mix number 6. Yep, that's all man-made. Little clear croc-toed, croc heel shoes. They're rough, you guys. Like that clear stuff, it gets so grody and grimy. Like it looks like there's a sequins down in there stuck. So yeah, that's a no. I mean, if I could get it out, could probably get $20, but like, do I want to do all that work when I won't have arms? Probably not. I'm not trying to be like a Debbie Downer, but like this is a really bad box. Isaac Mizrahi for Target. These are a 9, and these are really gross. They don't look it on camera because I have that shining light, but the foot in these are really grody. And the ankle. Oh, and this one is like look how stretched out. Like it's like not supposed to be a wide, but, and hear it? Do you hear that sound? Yeah, that's no good. Oh my gosh, like this is, I mean, if I sell the Vans and I sell the Adidas, maybe that's my money back. Probably not, but yeah, this sucks. Okay, what are these? Please be something good. They look like they're an imitation of something. Size 9. I like these boots. I wish I could see what they were. Please let these be something good. I can't see anything. Oh my gosh, I literally can't see you guys, and I don't have my phone to shine a light. Something Peterson? Matt? Oh my gosh, I cannot tell. We're gonna come back to these. I don't know. I like these boots, but I honest to God can't tell. They don't look like they're high quality. Like I bet this is nothing. Like I don't even think this is real leather. Vero Kuro, size 9. Like they just don't feel heavy duty. I don't see any good markings on them. They're cute. Boots with fur, apple bottom jeans, and boots with the fur. But I can't tell what they are. So. Oh, well, this is the only one. Oh my gosh, like I didn't even get the other one. You guys, I got sent this boot and this boot. This is Sam Edelman and this is, I have no idea. These are 2 single boots. There's no match in my box. All that's left are these Service Honeywell rain boots. What the heck? These unbranded, no brand. They literally feel like they're from Wish. And they just have a 42 sticker on the back. Yeah, these have no weight to them. They're like a knockoff fake of something. And then whatever these are, which they're man-made, so yeah, Breckle, and the inside is completely torn out. Size 7.5 man-made suede knee boots, but I got 2 boots without a match. Like, who did the quality control on this? So that's 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5 pair, 6 pair, 7 pair, 8 pair, 9 pair, 10 pair, 11 pair, 12 pair, 13, 14, and 2 mismatches. 1 Sam Edelman and 1 I can't make out what the name of it is. So, I'm gonna have to contact ThredUP. Yeah, because they sent me 2 shoes that don't match. So, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna contact them. Yeah, but even if these were both something, or even if they were a match, I don't think that this box this box is terrible. Yes, it is. So. What am I gonna do? Yeah, so that sucks. This whole thing has sucked. This is like throwing my money in the trash. I can probably sell a couple pairs and hopefully, I don't know, what they'll do is like give me credit probably. Woo. $5 or $10 credit. Okay, so it was a bad box. A really bad box. Some people get good ones and some people get bad ones. It's a risk with ThredUP. Will I be taking any more risk on shoes this season? No. I got so many unbranded shoes. Like, they don't even have brands. Like, I can't do anything with them. Wow. I hope this video goes viral, so maybe they'll send me a new box. I'm just kidding. You win some and you lose some. Anyways, that was my box from ThredUP. Oh God, that was painful. Let me know what you got in your shoebox from ThredUP. My last ThredUP shoebox, like, I don't know, 8 months ago or longer, I'll link that. I'll link it. It was really good. Like, I had hunter boots in there. I had Nike Flyknits. I had, I don't know, like Tory Burch. It was good. This, holy cow. It was like they were like, never again. You're never getting a good box again. But I will email them and I will come back after I hear from them and leave it in the, like, I'll update the description and let you know what they decided to do. Yeah, I'm gonna post the video first so that way I could send them the link. And that's the plan. This was a terrible box. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I have a really good haul coming next. So stay tuned for that. It's better when you just pick your own stuff, right? Yeah.